Episode 8, MCP with Spring AI. Connect AI to tools the standard way. We're at the MCP layer, sitting on top of the tool, calling you already know from Episode 7. Your app on top, Spring AI's MCP auto configuration in the middle, external AI systems on the bottom. One annotation made your method callable by the model, but only inside this one app, wired by hand. Every new AI client, every new tool, a new bespoke integration by hand. That doesn't scale past 2 apps, let alone an enterprise. MCP standardizes exactly that handshake. Discover what tools exist, call one, get a structured result, the same way every time for any client and any server. Your app can sit on either side of that port, sometimes both at once. Client role reaches outward, server role receives inward. As a client, add the MCP client starter and point it at an external MCP server. Here, Context 7, a documentation lookup server launched over StIO with NPX. Spring AI auto-configures a tool callback provider bean. Hand it to your chat client with default tools, and the model can call Context 7's tools exactly like it called your own @tool method. One thing changed since the course was recorded. Default tool callbacks is deprecated in 2.0. Use default tools, same provider, and it also takes plain @tool objects directly. 3 transports. StIO spawns a local process and talks over STIN and STIDOut. That's what Context 7 and Claude Desktop use. SSE and Streamable HTTP talk over the network. Streamable HTTP is the newer MCP spec-aligned option. Flip the direction. The exact same @tool methods from Episode 7, with no new registration code, become an MCP server's tool list automatically. One property picks the transport, stdio equals true, wires it for Claude Desktop as a local subprocess. Protocol picks SSE, streamable, or stateless for a network client. Now Claude Desktop, or any MCP client or a teammate's agent, can call the exact same tools you wrote for your own app, discovered automatically. Every external MCP server is a dependency you did not write, running a command on your machine or your network. Pin the version, review what the command runs, sandbox it. That's what makes MCP an auditable tool boundary, not a blank check. One standard port, your app as a client, your app as a server, the same @tool underneath, discoverable by anything that speaks MCP. Next, Episode 9, Observability. You can't ship what you can't see. Full write-up at the stackunderflow.com/springai/08mcp-integration. Spring AI moves fast. Update notes live at the stackunderflow.com/springai.